Are you ready for Salah? Let's get clean. Roll up your sleeves, turn on the tap. Let's say Bismillah. Splish, splash, wudu wash, getting ready for Allah. Splish, splash, wudu wash, start with Bismillah. 1, 2, 3, look at me, pure and clean as I can be. Wash your hands, right then left, rub between the fingers. Now the water in your mouth, swish it all around. Clean your nose, breathe it in, blow it out and start to grin. Wash your face, top to bottom, like a glowing moon. Right arm first up to the elbow, wash it once again. Scrub it. Now the left arm, do the same, always in alcoholic's name. Splish, splash, wudu wash, getting ready for Allah. Splish, splash, wudu wash, start with Bismillah. Wet your hands, wipe your hair, front to back and back again. Use your fingers, clean your ears, listen for the adhan. Inside, outside, nice and neat. Now we're moving to our feet. Right foot first, wash the toes, rub the ankles too. Rub. Wet foot now, wash it well, just like the angels do. No more dirt and no more mess. We are ready, we are blessed. Look at the sky, raise a finger high. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. I am clean, I am bright. Time for Salah under Allah's light.